Hi there and good evening. This is Scott. At Scott Trades on Twitter and at stockmarketmentor.com. This is your chart of the day. I want to take a look at Uber. Before I do that, though, I would like to send out some love to everyone affected by Tropical Storm Hillary, which was Hurricane Hillary. Just some terrifying footage coming out of this storm, and thoughts are with everyone affected with that right now. And also some of the fires up in Canada. It's just terrifying. Let's take a look at Uber. Uber is holding in and around the 50-day moving average here. Now, that's typically what strong stocks do, and Uber has been strong since May. We had what looks to be an earnings gap holding the 50-day moving average, some follow through to the upside, and it has since trended along these moving averages. But over the last couple of days, it's had its real first test of the 50-day moving average since the breakout. Now, I'm interested in Uber here because it is holding in and around. Now, I don't think just because a stock is near the 50-day moving average, it makes it a buy. But I want to pay attention to stocks that are near that moving average because I know a lot of institutions pay attention to the 50-day moving average. So the ranges that I think are important on Uber right now are down here at around that 43 level, and then up here at around that 45.30 zone. So I want to see if the stock can break out above 45.30 and do it on higher than average volume and ideally close above and tell us that not only is the stock holding around the 50-day moving average, but buyers are definitely going to support it if it comes back down. So this is a stock that I definitely have on a watch list right now, and I think it makes sense for you to put this one on your list too and look for an actionable trade above that 45.30 level. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I hope to see you on the other side at stockmarketmentor.com.